Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, these potato wedges are a delight. I hope you have all the ingredients ready. Let's get cooking. Peel the potatoes and cut into wedges. Season with salt and boil the potatoes for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the potatoes, drain thoroughly and allow to cool. Into a mixing bowl add the flour, paprika powder, oregano. Mix well. Add the water. Mix well. Add the wedges and coat well. Fry the potatoes until golden brown, then drain on kitchen paper. Melt the butter. Add the minced garlic and gently fry for 1 minute. Remove from the heat. Add the chili flakes and coriander leaves. Mix well. Add the wedges and mix well. The aroma of roasting garlic and chili is simply irresistible. Look how delicious this is. Serve them as a tantalizing snack, appetizer, or a delicious side dish. We hope you liked this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.